Yo, what's good guys, producer Mykah here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an Amapiano beat, and we're going to be using this snippet of a jam that Crayon dropped on his IG page. You know, I used Udemy to convert that so we could work on it, guys. So without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DAW and start working on this beat.
I carry more love for but proof. She going like tsunami, but mindful losing life. Another time for opposite.
Yeah. So I think some parts of the vocals are not sounding out, but we can actually work with this. So you guys just get the idea. So I'm gonna send this to my mixer and just add EQ, just take out some of the lows, and then I'm gonna add some reverb. So it's it's sounding nice. So let's add pop plate reverb. And
I carry more love for but proof. She going like tsunami, but mindful.
So the tempo we're gonna be using is 115, and I'm gonna be using a swing of around, let's say 23%. I'm just gonna go get some one shots that I'm gonna be using. All right, so for my snare, I'm just gonna have this here. So this is what I have with my snare. But I'm gonna go to my piano roll and just increase the velocity so it hits really hard. So for that, I'm gonna be using this percussion here.
Yeah,
so that's what we have. Just go to my piano roll, increase the velocity. So for this, I'm just gonna put this where is it? Then next I'm gonna add in a very, very soft kick. So let me just go look for that kick. Yeah, let me go with this. I might change it, but let's just start with this and see what it's gonna give us. So for the kick, I'm just gonna have a steady kick. So I'm just gonna increase the velocity also. So what next I'm just gonna bring in a loop, and we're gonna have a vibe with that loop. So let's put that. So I'm just gonna go to my master and just put in soft clipper. Then I'm gonna go add this shaker, nice shaker loop to just solidify the bounce, So let's bring this. I feel like the kick is too soft, so let me just go look for another kick. Yeah, so I think we have a solid bounce. So let me just drag this. So let's listen from the top.
I carry more love for but she going like tsunami, but mindful losing life. Another time for opposite. We never pop on my seat.
Nice.
Nobody ask me what I view. We are nothing but pesos in the ass.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna let's loop everything, and I'm gonna add in the chords. So for the chords, I'm gonna be using Lounge Lizard, and let's try to get the key. Yeah, so on the key of D, and let's just arrange. So I think we're starting with the 4. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be working with. 6, then to 3. Yeah, so then to the 3. So I'm just gonna copy this, drag it, and let's.
I tell her say that man. I carry more love for but she go wine like tsunami. I tell her say that man. I carry more love for but she go wine like tsunami. For my vuvuzela. Another time for apple stick. Me never pop a massive for you.
So what I'm gonna do for the electric piano, I'm just gonna send it to the mixer. I'm gonna add kickstart to it. Yeah. So let's go. Then the next thing I'm gonna bring in is my bass. So I'm just gonna for this I'm gonna be using sub boom bass just to have that sub bass, and the preset I'm using is dark fretless. So I'm just going to use my EQ just to cut out some of the highs. So I think I'm gonna add a drum fill here, so it leads us into that.
We are nothing but vessels, imperials of the creator. Healing my shadow, make we dance. Nobody ask me what I will. We are nothing but vessels, imperials of the creator. Healing my shadow, make we dance.
Some chords, I'm gonna go use Analog Lab 4, and I'm gonna be using the distraction presets. So I'm just gonna go copy the chord progressions from the electric piano and just paste it. So let me just render it to wave, render and replace. So let me just try to change the sample rate of this, and let's see what it's gonna give us. Change the sample rate to 1000. So I think I'm also gonna add the kickstart to it, so it has that. Yeah, so I'm gonna send it to my mixer and just give it some reverb.
I carry more love for but she go wine like tsunami. For my vuvuzela. Another time for apple stick. We never pop a massive for you. Nobody ask me what I will. We are nothing but vessels, imperials of the creator. Healing my child.
Yeah, so I think I'm gonna render this to wave. Render this violin to wave.
Another time for up.
Let me try to reverse it and see what it's gonna give us.
Another time for apple sick. Me never pop on my seat for you. Nobody ask me what I will. We are nothing but pesos in the ass.
So let me try to add some log drums. So let's use our Fruity DX10. So let me turn the vocals. We go. So let's just start with the intro. I think we just have the drums. Yeah. So let me go get some effects. Yeah, then we have a crash.
I don't know, say that man. I carry more love for body. She go wine like tsunami. For my vuvuzela. Another time for apple sick. Me never pop on my seat for you. Nobody ask me what I will. We are nothing but pesos in the ass. In Beyonce of the theater. Healing my shadow, make we dance. Party on city, sun is up. Nobody whine me, your man. In the bunches we will tape up. Learn to pressure, kids, really man.
Yeah, let me send this to my mixer and just add some nice reverb to the. Let's see.
I don't know, say that man. I carry more love for body. She go wine like tsunami. For my vuvuzela. Another time for apple sick. Me never pop on my seat for you. Nobody ask me what I will. We are nothing but pesos in the ass. In Beyonce of the theater.
these soft flutes.
Nobody ask me what I will. We are nothing but vessels in the ass. Nobody ask me what I will. We are nothing but vessels in the ass. In beings of the creator. Healing my shadow, make we of the creator, healing my shadow, make we dance. Baji on stages, honest. Baji on stages. Baji on stages, honest. Nobody whine. Baji on stages, honest. Nobody whine me, yo man. Baji on stages, honest. Nobody whine me, yo man. Baji.
So let me see. Yeah, so let's listen from the top to this pattern. But I'm just gonna add this on my master so it gives it weight. Cradle the God particle. All right, so yeah, louder. Yep, guys, so that's how you can easily make an Amapiano beat. Simple and straightforward, guys. So let's just listen once more from the top, guys.
I don't sit back that much. I got him on laugh, but she going like tsunami. But my info was a lie. I know the time for apostolic. We never pop on my CPU. Nobody ask me what I will. We are nothing but vessels in the ass. In beings of the creator. Healing my shadow, make we dance. Baji on stages, on his up. Nobody whine me, yo man. In the bunches where we tape up. Learn to pressure, kids really man. That the money I want the job.
Yep, guys, so you can see how very easy it is. Like I always say, it's very easy to make an Afro beat or an Amapiano beat. All you just need to do is have some nice one shots, some nice sounds, and you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.